figuring out which entrance to come in the Blaisdell is a journey. And you know, it was a journey for you because you never feel like one lab rat in the maze trying to get over here. I was lost last night. I came in that front entrance and I was like, where is the peacocking room? Where is, and you make this turn and you make that turn and it's like one maze and you're like, where am I? So you made it. You all deserve a cream puff. We like to do a song for you that I wrote for my sister Kahulu some years back. It's called Love Ako. So I'm so